Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Temu on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first way, we need to use Microsoft Edge. So if you don't have Microsoft Edge installed on your PC, just do a Google search, type in Microsoft Edge download, click on the link, and then go ahead and install Microsoft Edge as a web browser. And then from here we need to open up Microsoft Edge, and now once we're here we need to search for Temu. Here it is, here, the official site. Alright, so now we're on Temu, and then from here we need to click on the top right hand corner where the three dots are and look for apps, and then click on install Temu, and then it'll say install Temu app. Click on install, and then as you can see, app installed, and then it'll say allow this app to. So if you want to create a desktop shortcut, click into that. We can unpin these to taskbar or leave them there. I'm just going to do a desktop shortcut for now, and then click allow. And if I close out of here, here's Temu icon on my desktop. Just simply click into it to open up Temu. Alright, the second way needs a application installed on your PC or laptop. It's called BlueStacks. I will leave a link in the description below how to download and install BlueStacks. Alright, once you've downloaded and installed it, go ahead and open up BlueStacks. Alright, once we're here, we need to click for search for games and apps. Now I'm going to type in Temu, and here it is here. Click onto Temu, shop like a billionaire. Click install from Google Play. Make sure to sign into your Google Play account if you haven't done so already. Alright, so you're on this page here. Go ahead and click on the install button. That's going to download and install it onto your PC or laptop. As you can see, it's downloading. It's going to verify. And then once it does its thing, go ahead and open up, sign in or create an account and use Temu as you would on your mobile device.